What if everything you thought about fasting was just scratching the surface? Imagine taking a cake out of the oven 5 minutes too early. It looks done, but inside it's still soft. Fasting is exactly the same. Your body has a powerful built-in cleaning system called autophagy. It's your cell's ultimate spring cleaning process, responsible for breaking down damaged proteins, worn-out mitochondria, viruses, bacteria, and other cellular debris. Autophagy literally helps regenerate your organs, improve brain function, and protect your body against disease. But here's the problem. Most people stop fasting too early. They never reach the phase where autophagy is fully activated. In this video, we'll reveal the exact fasting timing that triggers autophagy, how your body signals it's happening, common mistakes that sabotage it, and a simple, practical plan for beginners, intermediates, and advanced fasters. By the end of this video, you'll know how to hack your body's natural cellular cleaning system and get the maximum benefits from fasting without guesswork. 1. What is autophagy? Cellular recycling explained. Autophagy is your cellular cleaning service. The term comes from Greek. Auto equals self, phagy equals to eat. It selectively removes damaged components without harming healthy cells. Examples of what autophagy targets: misfolded proteins that can cause neurodegenerative diseases, damaged mitochondria, your cell's power plants, viral or bacterial invaders inside cells, accumulated cellular debris that slows metabolism. Think of it as your cells' spring, cleaning themselves, taking broken parts and recycling them into usable materials. Nobel Prize winner Yoshinori Ohsumi revealed the molecular pathways in 2016. Autophagy is foundational for longevity and can help prevent cancer, heart disease, and neurological decline. 2. Fasting phases and autophagy activation. Phase 1, 12 to 16 hours. The awakening. Glycogen stored sugar begins depleting. Autophagy starts slowly, like a cold engine warming up. Benefits: mild cellular repair, early fat-burning signals. Phase 2, 16 to 24 hours. Acceleration: body enters light ketosis, burning fat for energy. Autophagy ramps up in liver, muscle, and brain cells. Studies show measurable cellular recycling increases at this stage. Phase 3, 24 to 48 hours. Peak efficiency. Full autophagy activation. Brain benefits: production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, rises. Cellular repair intensifies in organs, muscles, and tissues. Phase 4, beyond 48 hours. Advanced zone. Autophagy continues, but fasting this long requires careful monitoring. Risks: low energy, electrolyte imbalance, and excessive stress if not prepared. 3. Factors affecting autophagy. Timing. Autophagy timing is unique for everyone. Key influencers: basal metabolism. Fast metabolizers deplete glycogen quicker, slow metabolizers take longer. Physical activity: more active individuals store more glycogen, delaying autophagy onset. Dietary habits: high-carb diets slow the transition. Low-carb or keto diets accelerate it. Age and metabolic health: older adults or insulin-resistant individuals may need longer fasting periods. Fasting experience: your body adapts over time. Frequent fasting improves metabolic flexibility. Tip: autophagy is not a fixed clock. Your body has a personal sweet spot. 4. Recognizing autophagy. 3 key signals. Mental clarity: brain fog disappears. Cognitive focus improves, caused by removal of misfolded proteins and toxic aggregates in neurons. Altered breath: metallic or acetone smell indicates ketone production. Your body is burning fat efficiently and shifting into cellular repair mode. Stable energy without hunger. Energy stabilizes, appetite decreases naturally. Sign of ketones providing efficient, consistent fuel. Recognizing these signals ensures you know when autophagy is active without invasive tests. 5. Ketosis and autophagy. The link. Autophagy works best in a low insulin, high ketone state. Ketones are clean energy molecules produced when fat is burned. Benefits of ketosis in fasting: reduces brain inflammation, supports stable energy, enhances fat metabolism, maximizes autophagy efficiency. 6. Common mistakes that sabotage autophagy. Adding milk, cream, or sugar to coffee or tea triggers insulin, blocking autophagy. Chronic stress, high cortisol blunts cellular repair. Overeating after fasting spikes insulin, reversing benefits. Excessive fasting without refeeding, the body cannot rebuild tissues. Artificial sweeteners, some trigger insulin response. Avoid during fasting windows. 7. Beginner fasting strategies. Start with 16 to 8 fasting, 16 hours fasting, 8-hour eating window for 2 to 3 weeks. Observe your body, mental clarity, altered breath, stable energy. Once adapted, experiment with 20 to 24-hour fasts once weekly. Hydration is critical. Water, black coffee, green tea are safe. 8. Intermediate and advanced fasting approaches. Intermediate, 16 to 8 on weekdays plus 24 to 36-hour fast once per week or bi-weekly. Advanced, 48 to 72-hour fast once per month, with supervision support, gentle movement, walking, sleep optimization, electrolyte balance. Key, fasting is not punishment. It's strategic cellular maintenance. 9. Supportive drinks. During fasting, water, essential for flushing out autophagy byproducts. Green tea provides polyphenols that enhance autophagy. Black coffee contains chlorogenic acid for fat metabolism and stem cell support. Avoid sweetened beverages, milk, and cream to prevent insulin spikes. 10. Long-term benefits of autophagy. Cellular regeneration. Organs, muscles, and tissues repair efficiently. Neurological benefits: reduces misfolded proteins linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease prevention. Protects against diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Metabolic flexibility improves your ability to switch between sugar and fat as fuel longevity. Activates ancient survival pathways your ancestors relied on. Autophagy is not just about cleaning, it's about renewing, strengthening, and thriving. Autophagy isn't a fad, it's your body's ancestral survival mechanism. Our ancestors naturally alternated between periods of scarcity and abundance. Your cells know exactly what to do when fasting is done right. How to deepen autophagy without extending your fast. Many people believe autophagy only depends on how long you fast, but that's not completely true. The latest research shows there are simple lifestyle techniques that can intensify autophagy without adding extra hours to your fasting window. These methods help your cells enter a deeper state of repair, even if you're sticking to a 16-hour or 20-hour fast. Let's break them down. 1. Light movement. During fasting, you don't need intense gym workouts. In fact, heavy exercise while fasting can spike cortisol, which slows autophagy. But light movement does the opposite. 10 to 20 minutes of walking, gentle stretching, slow-paced yoga breathing exercises. These activities increase circulation, sending oxygen and nutrients to cells faster. This encourages your body to recycle damaged components more efficiently. Bonus, light movement increases BDNF, the same brain growth molecule elevated during deep autophagy. 2. Cold exposure. Cold therapy naturally amplifies autophagy by activating a protein called AMPK, which signals your cells to conserve energy and recycle waste. Simple ways to add cold exposure safely: 30 to 60 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower. Splashing your face with cold water, brief step outside in cool air. Cold boosts metabolic flexibility and increases brown fat activation, both of which synergize with fasting. This sends a powerful message to your body: repair, restore, recycle. 3. Reduce. Evening eating. Even if you fast for 16 hours, eating heavy meals late at night delays autophagy. This is because your insulin stays elevated while you sleep. To deepen autophagy, finish your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. Keep dinner moderate, not huge. Avoid high carbs in your final meal. Prioritize protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. When insulin drops earlier in the evening, your body can reach the autophagy zone faster the next morning. 4. Prioritize deep sleep. Most people don't realize this. Autophagy increases dramatically during deep sleep, especially between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. But this only happens when your room is dark and cool. You avoid screens before bed. You sleep at consistent times. Poor sleep triggers inflammation, which directly blocks the autophagy pathways you're trying to activate. Think of sleep as your autophagy accelerator. 5. Use autophagy-friendly foods in your eating window. Certain foods stimulate the same pathways as fasting, helping extend autophagy benefits even after you break your fast. These include cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, kale, turmeric with black pepper, olive oil, and omega-3 rich foods, green tea or matcha garlic, and ginger. These foods activate key pathways like AMPK and ULK1, the exact pathways Yoshinori Osumi studied in his Nobel Prize research. This doesn't replace fasting, but it amplifies the effects when you do fast. Key takeaway: you don't always need a 48-hour fast to experience deep cellular cleansing. With the right daily habits, light movement, cold exposure, early dinners, quality sleep, and autophagy, Supporting foods you can help your body clean, deeper repair faster, heal more efficiently, and reach autophagy sooner. These are the small hinges that move big doors when it comes to cellular longevity. So next time you fast, don't just watch the clock. Listen to your body, recognize the signals, and let your cells clean, renew, and strengthen themselves. Now I want to hear from you. After how many hours of fasting do you feel mental clarity, stable energy, or other autophagy signs? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you understand how to truly harness fasting for cellular repair, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the science of longevity and health. Remember, this content is informational and not medical advice. If you have specific conditions, consult a professional before experimenting with prolonged fasting. Happy fasting, and let your body do what it was designed to do: clean, renew, and thrive.